Loco Nuts.
Now, who wants to help me get ready for our big garage sale?
I do.
Okay, Ruby, bring out all the chairs. Lily, bring out your old toys. And Charlie,
Yes, ma'am.
bring out the brooms.
So many things to do.
So many things to find. We're having a garage sale.
We haven't got much time.
There's items here to sell.
Wow, look at all we've got.
But I've got little helpers, and oh, that means a lot.
We're Mama's little helpers. We help her with her stuff. We do it with a smile. We just can't help enough. And 'cause we're Mama's little helpers, we do what we are told. And Mama says,
Well done! You're all as good as gold.
yeah. I like when she says that.
There's tables, chairs, and toys.
This spinning top makes noise. There's gadgets, games galore. Just step right up. There's more.
I could use a little help pricing all these things.
Okay.
Charlie, Ruby, Lily.
Oh, look, some water wings. Oh, cool. We're Mama's little helpers. We help her with her stuff. We do it with a smile. We just can't help enough. And 'cause we're Mama's little helpers, we do what we are told.
And Mama says, well done! You're all as good as gold.
We're all so good. Aren't we just?
Yes, you are.
Sometimes it's hard to part with something that you own. Yeah, you've had it all your life.
Oh, but now you all have grown.
We have? Not Charlie. Oh, look, we have some customers with money in their hands. Oh, I will take that toaster.
And how much for these pens?
I could sell my dolly since I'm growing up. And I could sell bananas. There's lots of them, yup. Charlie. We're Mama's little helpers. We help her with her stuff. We do it with a smile. We just can't help enough. And 'cause we're Mama's little helpers, we do what we are told. And Mama says,
Well done! You're all as good as gold.
yes, we are. Gold bananas. Charlie, look! Mama's got pretty eggs. Let's go check them out. Cool. Hey, maybe there's baby bananas inside. Whoops! Uh-oh! What are we gonna do? Well, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. There you go, little guy. Good as new. But what are we gonna do with the other egg? Easy peasy. Poof! Oops! Humpty Dumpty rolled on the ground, over the pebbles and cracked all around. They're sad and broken. Now what do we do? Put on a bandage and hold them like glue. Uh-oh, dear. Someone's gonna be in big trouble. Looks like a job for Ready or Not Ruby. There. Humpty Dumpty, what do you know? Right back into your spot you will go. But uh-oh, it's Toby, he's chasing the ball. And wouldn't you know it? Another great fall. Oh, dear. Exactly. More pretty bandages, please.
Oh, dear!
Boom! Oh, dear. Ready or Not Ruby to the rescue.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, cracked and colorful from their great fall.
They all look so funny.
And you know it's true, I could never be mad at you.
She could never be mad at us.
Except maybe Charlie. my! Look at all the colorful stalls on Drury Lane!
Yeah! Hey, let's go see the Muffin Man. I want a banana muffin. I've never met the Muffin Man before. I want a blueberry muffin. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Look! These are so good!
Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Charlie!
Whoops! Oh, it's the ice cream man! I want a banana split! Do you know the ice cream man? The ice cream man, the ice cream man. Do you know the ice cream man who drives the ice cream van?
Yes, I know the ice cream man, the ice cream man, the ice cream man. Yes, I know the ice cream man who drives the ice cream van. I know, 3 frozen banana splits on a stick.
Better make that 6, please. Oh, Charlie, thank you. 1 for each of us. No, they're all for me. Do you know the pizza man? The pizza man, the pizza man. Do you know the pizza man who bakes it in a pan? 1 banana pizza, please. Oh, there's no such thing, Charlie.
How about some banana peppers?
Oh, yes, 100, please. Charlie!
Yes, I know the pizza man, the pizza man, the pizza man. Yes, I know the pizza man who bakes it in a pan.
Yummy! I told ya. Oh, wow. Do I smell banana pecan cake? I'll take 6 cakes. 6! Do you know the baker man? The baker man, the baker man. Do you know the baker man who bakes with sweet pecans? Yes, I know the baker man, the baker man, the baker man. Yes, I know the baker man, 'cause I'm his biggest fan.
He's your biggest fan.
Do you know the candy man? The candy man, the candy man. Do you know the candy man? His name is Candy Dan.
Hello!
I'll have some banana chips, a bag of banana lollies, and some banana gummies.
Yes, I know the candy man, the candy man, the candy man. Yes, I know the candy man whose name is Candy Dan.
Hey, Candy Dan. Thanks for all the goodies. I'm gonna hang upside down now and eat them all up. Oh! Gee, thanks, Charlie. I know. Thanks, Charlie. Oh, no.
Well, isn't that a perfect model of London Bridge? It looks just like it.
Yeah, almost, unless I mess with it. Whoa! Charlie! I was just being silly. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Oh, Charlie, I'm afraid we're going to have to put this bridge back together.
Yup, okay.
Come on, kids. Build it up with stones and twigs.
Stones and twigs, stones and twigs.
Build it up with
Stones and twigs.
my fair lady.
Hello? I don't think this is working very well. Oops! Stones and twigs could all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Stones and twigs could all fall down, my fair lady. We could try building it back up with bananas. Bananas? Yeah, and then we could eat the bridge.
Charlie!
Look! Whoa! Hey! Good work, Toby! Build it up with building blocks. Building blocks, building blocks. Build it up with building blocks. My fair lady. Hey! Who you calling a lady? I'm just a little funny. Oh, wow! It worked! Watch this! Make it sparkle with silver and gold. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Make it sparkle with silver and gold. My fair lady. Oh, nice. Pretty. Ooh, la la. Yeah, but there's only one problem. Silver and gold can be stolen away. Stolen away! Stolen away! Silver and gold can be stolen away. My fair lady. Hey, not if we watch it through the night.
Through the night?
Through the night. Not if we watch it through the night. My fair lady. Okay, you can call me lady if you really want to. But do I really have to stay up all night to watch this bridge? Yep, forever and ever. Oh, I'm sleepy.
Good night, Lily.
Good night, Lily. Good night, Lily. Nighty night, Lily. Nice bridge. I built it.